It's dark. It's 5 a.m. What are we doing? We're waiting on the streets of Koresh at 5:30 in the morning for a white van to pick us up. Actual traffic jam. Shuttle vehicles. We literally got in a white van on Montana. It's around the corner.
Around the corner?
Yeah. We're not gonna see the actual sun come up. Maybe.
Yep.
So you can have both that it's perpendicular to the trade winds of the north and the peaks, and also the cap. Remove the cap. Ain't done it often.
I think it's yours.
Don't confuse the mountain with my nose. So this one first. But in front of you is going to be on the horizon. You will see Porto Santo. It's a little bit. I think it's raining over there. Okay,
Whoa.
This is making me like.
Yeah, you're allowed to. You're allowed to.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. I just went to right where the edge of the footprints were. There's a sea cave that I flew through.
Yeah.
This whole thing right here.
Yeah.
I flew.
Under it.
I actually flew through this. Yeah.
Crazy.
It almost lost signal, but it was good. Anyway, ready? You can see the lava flow like layers. Lots of peas. Around the corner is where we were. Water. Or no, three times the amount of water collected from the fog and the trees just coming, draining through from rain, actual rain every year. That's a lot. 3 times the amount of rain. Just from the fog, the moisture from the dew. Wow.
It's like drips and...
Yeah. Still.
Either that or he hikes really fast, or he's like, oh yeah, 2 hours.
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours.
Yeah. Oh, no. I gotta fly this. I'm flying this. Yeah, but did it different now. Eucalyptus trees. Eucalyptus trees on the right. Pine trees on the left. weird.
Even our first guide said what 80% of the trees on Madeira are implanted.
Yeah, because when they originally were colonizing, they burned a lot of it for
1,000 steps. Well done.
for nice.
My watch just
So we can stop now.
went off.
But yeah, for farming and stuff, they
Yeah.
burned and used a lot of the wood up, replanted. But it's the largest laurel tree in the world. Largest.
And that was their native tree.
That was a native one, yeah. And they planted eucalyptus trees to help hold the ground in, because once they took all the trees away, mudslide.
Then you get closer, you
Yeah,
get a
this
better
is
view.
like, this puts Eagle Creek hike to shame.
Yeah, it is.
Why is there a trail leading to the left?
Just to that rock.
That makes me nervous. Oh. Oh.
Oh, see if you walk to the top of the Alps, you can see things kind of moving under it. See the little building up right there. Oh, yeah, right there. I don't know what that is. Oh, and you screwed it off there, so there you runs under there, see what you see. But yeah, you can see things moving on. Guess I'll have to watch the predators before I come over.
Yeah. I'll just have the drone sound later.
Yeah, it is windy out there. You can see all of the trees.
Civilization.
Huh?
Closer to civilization.
Yeah. Says good on here. And
Yep.
then those stairs. Or whatever.
I'm gonna double check. Hi, puppy.
Are you friendly, puppy?
Hey. You friendly? Hey. I don't have any treats. Sorry. He's sad. Yeah. closer. Oh wait, this one, that has a bird on top of it. This doesn't have a bird on top of it.
Oh, well, we can't go there.
I don't, those 4 photos were like golden every time. It's just like,
I know,
yep.
that's why he's like, I'm gonna give you these.
Yeah, you need those photos. Because every time there was a branch, it's like, is this what? And then it's like, look at the photo and yep, it matches.
Yeah, staircase to the left.
Yeah, that last one we especially needed.
Yeah, there were multiple vans. They're waving at us from the van.
Which unmarked white van
The
is ours?
first
to
one
be
was
kidnapped
waving at
in?
us like, alright, come on.
Yeah. I think they were just waving at us.
Huh?
I think they were just waving at us like saying hello.
Yeah. You made it.
Yeah.